Our motto is every child should play, and that we've always stood by that. We've never turned a kid down. With that, we've had a lot of parental support. They've taken on coaches, secretary roles. We've had a lot of support with that, and with people like Wales and West supporting us financially. That's taken a huge weight off our mind. Well, it started with my son. He's got additional complex needs and deaf. He was playing with other teams, but was staying in the development squad, and we didn't feel he was getting the benefit of the actual coach training. He wasn't getting the experience of games, and we were obviously forking out a lot of money for this. Football's a very expensive game, even at grassroots level. So a couple of us parents decided we'd band together and got a couple of the kids together and just started playing on a local council field up the road. That basically formulated Shotton Town United. So in 2015 we registered as a proper club. We had enough for one team. From there we grew into 3 teams in about 12 months. Then we had a couple of training teams while we were building up teams. Then obviously COVID hit and it decimated football. We've gone down to about 14, 15 players. We went from 14, I think we're currently up to just over nearly 90 in the space of 10 months. You can imagine what it's like trying to get sponsorship in these current times. It's very hard. So when they did offer to do it, it was a no-brainer. Wales and West are just like, yeah, we understand where you're coming from. They read our application. They've offered coaching support as well as all new kits. To have a company that big come in and recognise us for what we're doing, it makes us as a club feel very, very special. All the kids are all dressed the same, the children. Yeah, so they feel really part of the team. The kids have gone down absolutely storming with them because they're all like, hey, you know, we're all the same. There's none of us different here. We're all one team, one club. So we know there's a lot of hardship because obviously we're getting all the families that are involved, and we decided that we'll use Wales and West and promote them and not charge anyone for kit. All branded, everyone knows where it's come from because it has taken a lot of expense off the parent. It's a big thing for the little club. It'd be a big thing for a big club in any case, but for us, we want them to have the cost of it. We want everyone to look professional, and that's what we've done, and we couldn't have done it without Wales and West.